Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of 90-second Chromebook tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how you can assign tasks to coworkers or your group as a student using Google Suite. So this is across the board. It works in slides, it works in sheets, it works in docs, but here I am just in a document for an egg drop activity, and here it is. Like, I need somebody to pick up some sandwich bags. I highlight that, I hit the add the comment button right here, and then I start with a at DMars, and nice to put that right there, and I can assign that task to somebody, and it's going to create an email. So I can do that to different people, and then it makes a note to them like, hey, you can do this, and then I can check it off once I'm done, and this could really up your productivity throughout your organization or in your groups to make sure that people are meeting the needs that they need to get done quickly and easily. And that's this week's 90-second Chromebook tip and trick. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.